What is going on, everyone? Thanks for joining in to the channel. We have another really cool car to work on today. I'll walk you through what we have. It is a 2019 BMW X3, the Performance. So it's the M40i. Really sweet car. Really like this car. But what we have going on is this quarter panel here, right under the gas tank. You can kind of see it's creased in pretty good there. It's really tight there too. So what we're going to do is take out the tail light in the back here, and I'm not sure 100% how these come out, but I think you take off this panel here, and then there's two bolts there, but I think in here you take this out, and I believe there's a bolt kind of tucked in right behind there. We take that bolt out, and then that should slide out. So that's probably how we're going to access this. I was pushing on the panel, and it feels really tight there. It moves a little here, but it's tight here and here. So we'll see what kind of access we get in there. It's not a bad dent. As long as we could get tools on it, it shouldn't be a problem. So we'll once again take you through the process, see how we're going to do this thing, and let's see the final results after we're done. All right, we got the tail light out. It wasn't too bad, just a couple bolts back here and one inside there, like I said. So we got that out. We got a good access hole in here. So what we're gonna use is this 30-inch straight rod here. I think I got this from A1 Dent Tools. So it just has a nice bullet tip on it. We should be able to slide in here pretty easy. There is like some insulation in here, but we can get right by it and we can kind of touch the dent. So we'll be using this rod and maybe the Ultra double bend if we can get that in there, and let's get going and see how this thing turns out. All right, so we've been going a while on this. It's working up nice. There's no surprises or issues or anything like that. Again, with creases, they can be a little difficult with the lighting and everything. This crease is more like kind of a wave, like an S shape. So you kind of have to keep moving the lighting back and forth to find those low spots. But I'll show you what we have. We did most of the whole dent deepness wise, but you could still see there's like a little, you know, crease still where the whole dent was. So that's where we're going to go back and fine tune it. So basically you work up that big area, you know, you don't want to start like pinching that center or anything like that. So kind of work that area up, then you're kind of left with this, and then now it's all just fine tuning and making that, you know, perfect. So we'll keep going on it and get this thing done. Let's do it. Okay, we are all finished up. The dent came out really good. It came out perfect. No surprises or anything. It was a crease, so it was a little hard to, you know, get in there, moving the light around and fine tuning it. But again, do the process, get in to where those low spots are, and then work them up, and then fine tune it, and the dent will just work itself back out. I'll show you the results here. No surprises with the tail light, popped out, went back in real nice and easy. And you could see the dent is totally gone. So just worked it, took it slow, and it looks good. I think the customer is going to be really happy with the results. I'm happy with the results. This is someone I met at a car show. Actually, someone I know, Drew. He runs a charity organization, Cars for Cause. Real good guy, nice organization. You could check out their link. I'll put it in the description below. But he introduced me to this person, and it was about a month ago. So this person just gave me a call and said, hey, I got a dent in my BMW already. So I told him to bring it over, see if we could help him out. And that's something I really appreciate. I really appreciate the referrals. It's neat going to car shows and, you know, people introducing me to other people and telling them, hey, you got to check out this guy's work. He does good work. So I really do appreciate that. Usually the people don't want to have to call me, but when they do, I hope I can, you know, make them happy, get that dent out for them, and you know, move on to the next one. So I really appreciate that. I appreciate you guys following the channel, liking the videos. We'll keep doing more, so we'll catch you on the next one.